Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Apple Intelligence on your Mac outside of the USA. Alright, let's begin. First, ensure your Mac uses an M series chip. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select About this Mac. Check that it states an Apple M chip, such as the Apple M4 Pro chip. Note that this method will not work in China or Europe until April 2025. Next, make sure your Mac is up to date. You need to be running Mac OS Sequoia 15.1 or later. To check for updates, click on the Apple logo again, then select System Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the General tab and then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Now we need to change the language and region settings to the USA. Go back to System Settings, click on the General tab and find Language and Region. In the Region drop-down menu, select United States. Confirm the change when prompted. Your Mac may restart briefly. After restarting, ensure your preferred language is set to English US. Return to Language and Region settings and add English US if it isn't already there. Finally, go to Apple Intelligence and Siri in the Settings menu. You may see a button to join the waitlist for Apple Intelligence features. Click it. After a short wait, you will be able to activate Apple Intelligence. So that's basically how you can get Apple Intelligence on your Mac outside of the USA. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.